Connecting Mautic to our Postal SMTP server. Super easy. Let me show you how I did it. First, open Mautic and click that gear icon at the top. Then click Configuration. On the left side, you'll see Email Settings. Click that. Now scroll down until you find Email DSN. Here's where it gets simple. Go to your postal server where you created those SMTP credentials. Just copy each detail one by one, host, port, username, password, and paste them into Mautic's DSN field. Once that's done, scroll back to the top. You'll need to enter your from email address here. Real talk, this has to be from the same domain you configured in Postal. Otherwise, it won't work. Hit save and you're done. You just set up your own email system with no sending limits. Now here's something that tripped me up at first. Don't start sending bulk emails right away. Your iKey will get flagged fast. Build your sending reputation slowly. Start small, then scale up over a few weeks. That's it. You've got a self-hosted email system that actually works. Drop a comment if you run into any issues with your setup. Thanks for watching.